Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Try TV. Jason here with a review on a charging cables and charger. So I've been having issues traveling back and forth using my ways and watching YouTube and noticing that my battery would drain quickly. So what I was trying to in the car. Um, so what I was trying to do is see if I could get the fast charging activated on my phone while it was charging to see if it can keep up with the usage of battery or just maybe even add some battery percentage life on my phone. And I've been digging around, reading a bunch of reviews, and I was able to find this LMAV car charger, and these cables here, the INIU charging cables. And I have been playing around with them, testing them out, and it looks like it works. So on my phone, I have an LG V60, and it does have the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. And I also here have, for testing purposes, I have a Samsung Galaxy S20, which has the quick charge or fast charge. And I'm gonna show everyone here that this product actually does work. Oh, and by the way, this is not sponsored by any of these products. I purchased them on eBay, just did some testing, and I wanted to share this information. So whoever is interested in getting their phone quick charge and or fast charge, it should work for your phone as well. But yeah, let me show you what it came in. So this is the MLAV car charger, and it's right in there. There's two of them. It comes in, and if it's helpful, I'll see if I can leave the link to it. So I mean, I don't get anything out of it, but if it works for you, wonderful. This is one of the two. I have the other one in the car ready for testing purposes to show you. It looks like a regular standard car charger. Let's see, can I get focus? There we go. A little better. Plastic all around. You can see there says the QC3 on both ports, which is very nice. So the quick charging port. And I'll show you here now the cables. I got this one, the 5-pack, which was really nice. I thought it was a good deal. You get 2 3-footers, 2 6-footers, and then you get a 10-footer. So here you go. I already opened it up. You can see there, I already took them. They're actually in the car now. I'll show them to you when we get to that part. But this is a nice long 10-footer there. The nice thing about these cables, actually, as you can see here from the container, that has a little green light LED when it's connected and powered through. And it does actually work nicely. It helps you find it in the dark, especially in your car. You can see it there. 3-footer right here. Right there. 6-footer. All the same, just different length. And they all connect via USB in one end and Type C, I think it's called. The latest version of, USB-C cable. There you go. So this model is the DI-D5C, which says it supports the 3.1A fast charging. Nice. So yeah, that's the unboxing of these, and I'm gonna take you now to the car, and I'll show you the quick charging displayed coming through on the phones. Be right back, one sec. All right, and we're back. So we're in the car now. This is just a regular Jeep Renegade car, and here's the same car charger right there. I'm gonna hook it up to the car port outlet right here. Stick it in, and we get a nice green light right there, identifying that there's power. Sweet. Oh, there we go. All right, I'm using the same cables that I showed you a second ago. So here's the ends right there. There's one, and where is the other one? Darn, did I just lose the other? Oh, there it is. Let's do. There it is. Sorry about that. There we go. Connect that in. All right. There we go. And now I'll show you both ends that the LEDs are lit up. Right there, we got the 3-foot and the 6-foot. So I'm going to connect the 3-foot right into the phone right here of the holster that we have when we're driving around and need that GPS. Let's see. Come on. Sorry about the shake. There we go. All right, it's plugged in. Oh, and you can see right there it says fast charging. We'll also bring it down from the drop down, and you can see that it's fast charging right there as well. So you're going to see the other port as well, simultaneously fast charge or quick charge. Let's get the Samsung in. Sorry, give it a second. There we go, come on. Okay, there we go. So you can see both of them. I'll put them side by side. So they're both connected. The little flap's hiding the LED, but it is on right there. And you can see, oh man. All right, and you can see right there, they both are fast charging with one port. Very awesome. So, thank you very much, everyone. If you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.